Nevertheless, commentaries. So i-Arrows last week promise ukuthi ngakwazi ukubreak i-Pirates, kanti dlala no B team we-Pirates last week during the week, and kwenza sibe ne-anticipation yokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukushaya i-Pirates over the weekend. Into eyenzile ngempela izolo-ke besiyitshela ukuthi i-Arrows izoqhubeka kuloya mgqigqi ukukhombise last week yokukhona ukubreak i-Pirates, and i-approach yabo bekuyi-4-3-3 kona wonke ama-team, but i-difference ngala kwi-Pirates ukuthi uMbatha bengekho, bekhona umfana omncane oSelepe, engekho futhi uTito esikhuleni saloko besilothe in ubhewe phasi lapha lo mjida waDlamini, uKabelo Dlamini. So okwenzeka ukuthi i-Pirates vele ihambe phezulu kwayo nje i-Arrows ingathi akundaba zalutho. Bobuka nje from the first minute to the last minute of the game, i-Pirates beyi-all over them. I-Arrows ibukeke i-overwhelmed by approach i-Pirates engakhona. Ubuka igoli lokuqala nje indlela umfuke na-destroy ngakhona i-defense ye-Arrows. Ulalise kwasana uwaca wabashiya bekuma-6s and 7s emva kwalo wanikeza ibhola uMabasa olufinishe kahle kakhulu nge-weaker foot yakho ku-right foot. And igame iqhubekile-ke ukube kahle kahle bekuyilanga lamagoli, ubungabona amagoli cishe abheke 8, 9, 10 somewhere lapho, because i-Pirates beyi-all over i-Arrows, and that was a big send off and a farewell win for Coach Jose Rivero, because the statement is also good. From now on uzothatha Coach Mandla Ncingazi as an interim coach uqedela nama-game awu-4 asele season. But on the other hand, i-Arrows beyinawo umdlalo omuhle. It's just that nje equality ye-Pirates ivelile yaba evident kuleya game. Uma ubuka nje approach from emuva kuze e-center and kuya phambili, and lento leyo ukuthi bamsebenzise uMakhehleni isikhathi esiningi njenge-shield ye-defense izolo beyingekho kakhulu leyo nto. Sibone ekwazi ukubreak ama-lines edlalisana noSelepe, and uDlamini wenza ukuthi kube easy ukucombine lapha e-center moving forward. So I think uDlamini is the best choice lapha ku-number 10 uma umqhathanisa noTito kwamanye wama-games, but sometimes udinga uTito lapha as the brain of the team. But nevertheless, ngoba wazi nevertheless commentaries, i-Pirates beyi-all over i-Arrows, and siyabonga ukuthi uJose Rivero usiphathe kahle for the past 3 seasons. Siyathemba ukuthi la eyakhona bamkhombe ku-Al-Ahly, we're not sure ukuthi iqiniso yini, but ama-rumors amkhombe ku-Al-Ahly. Siyathemba ukuthi uzoba ne-journey enhle from lapha eNorth Africa, mhlawumbe sophinde sihlangane futhi naye kwi-Champions League, which will be very very good. Ukuphinde sihlangane naye esezos-opposa-ke manje sesibona sesisebenzisa amaqhinga akhe against yena. But above it all, let me use igama lakhona la. Nevertheless, i-Arrows came up izodlala nayo, but into ebeyinkinga nje ukuthi ke equality kwiside le-Arrows ngol comparison ne-Pirates bekuyilona umehluko. Bekuyilona umehluko i-Pirates ekwenze ukuthi ikwazi ukunqoba loya mdlalo wayizolo. But ke kudos to ucoach Manqoba Mnqithi, siyathemba ukuthi uma uMantoma dlala uzomtholela isquad esingcono kule season ezayo ukuthi akwazi ukucompete, but amathuba abo ukuthi bangene kwi-top 8 ashabalele emva kokuluza leya game izolo, and indlela abashawe ngakhona akubukeki bezokwazi ukuthi baphinde babe ne-spirit sokubuya bazocompete, bacompetele ukungena kwi-top 8, bakwazi ukucompete kwi-top 8 next season kwi-top 8 cup ku-MTN 8 next season. But kudos to i-Pirates ngokukhipha loya mgqiqo phakathi kwabo ne-Sundowns ukhona njalo, though sazi ukuthi i-Sundowns iyadlala namhlanje and izodlala ne-Chippa United okuwukuthi nakhona lindela amagoli angaphezu ka-5, so it's obvious ukuthi i-Sundowns izowina. And we need ama-team anjenge-Kaizer Chiefs, anjengamaZulu, anjenge-Super Sport, anjengane-Stellenbosch neSikhukhuna, then bese kuba yi-Pirates, ukuthi at least lawo ama-team oyi-6 sazi ukuthi azosinikeza ama-fixtures awu-12 la singenayo khona i-show ukuthi i-Sundowns izowina, ukuze sikwazi ukubona enye i-team ithatha i-trophy noma ibhethe premiership kule minyaka ezayo. But uma ukuthi i-Pirates kuphela ezodlala ne-Sundowns singabi sure ukuthi ubani ozowina, then i-Sundowns automatically iyayiwina ilokhunyana i-league lapha, because laba abanye vele kuyaziwa ukuthi it's a walk over, izofike nje ibanyathele kalula ithathe u3 points ihambe iphindele e-Kruger Cup. But big up to i-Pirates, congratulations for the win izolo. Farewell to Coach Jose Rivero. We will forever remember him ngama-records awenzile kwi-Pirates, nalawa wabreakile, nalawa which he was yet to break. We are hoping in future we will meet again as a family. Salute to Coach